Akiaria thukuru-ini wa airitu wa Chania tauni-ini ya Thika, Minista wa githomo George Magoha augite mugunda uria uri na ngucanio wari wa thirikari na thirikari iri na kihoto gya kuuhuthira na njira o yothe. Magoha augite igoti ritigũthing'ĩrĩria thirikari gucenjia murugamo wa kurugamia wira Vice Chancellor wa University no Professor Paul Wainaina kana gucenjia urugamiriri thukuru-ini uyu, akiuga kuhitukira bodi njeru iria iracagũrirwo gutire undu nomwe ukurugama.
Will government stop working because an issue is in court? Shall I, as a surgeon, say, well, I will allow you to bleed to death because somebody has gone to court? So the rest is for you to add 1 and 2.
Ihinda-inĩ riu agitariria ati thukuru wa University ya Kenyatta hamwe na thibitari nene ya University ya Kenyatta itingĩtigithũkanio.
Kenyatta University Teaching and Referral Hospital and Kenyatta University are like husband and wife. It doesn't matter who is running them. They need each other and they shall exist together. So all this noise you are hearing about the hospital is taking our land, it's stupid hogwash.
Council shall not charge or dispose of.
Professor Wainaina uria urari Vice Chancellor University neno arugamirio wira thutha wa kuregana na ikinya ria thirikari kuhuthira gicunji kia mugunda wa eka 410 iria ciari igayanio maita mana eka 30 ikihuthika gwaka ceceni ya ruhonge rwa ugima wa muingi thiini wa thi WHO.
If I was the Vice Chancellor then, I would have talked with government in the back room for compensation because KU still has 580 acres, which they don't need. So I would have said, since we are on debt, Your Excellency, why don't you compensate us?
Magoha ekwaragia o hindi ya kuruguria waki wa irathi cia CBC akioneka gutetera ikinya ria kumagara guthurima ukinyaniru wa tafarira cia thirikari rungu rwa Ministry ya githomo na o ni thutha wa riboti irerekereirio ni muthurimi wa mathabu ma thirikari igikuwa uhuthiri moru wa kigina kia muigana wa shiringi milioni 10.
It is so much better to go to jail because you went to inspect something that is there that cannot be carried instead of being praised for or being accused for spending money that was spent for something that is not there.
Handũ-inĩ ha Kameme TV, njĩtagwo Ngina wa Waduro.